Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all have a sweet tooth tonight because I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to satisfy your sweet craving by making an upside down apple cinnamon roll. You heard me right. It's a cinnamon roll. Okay, this is my husband's request. He wanted something sweet. He wanted a cinnamon roll and he wanted it to have some apples with it. Okay, so this is my take on it. I went ahead and grabbed my small cast iron skillet. That's about 4 to 6 inches, I think, maybe 6 inches. Added 1 tablespoon of butter and melted that butter. Once the butter was melted, I went ahead and added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you feel like that might be too sweet, then just use 1 tablespoon, whatever your preference, okay? But this is what I did. You're gonna go ahead and stir that up until that brown sugar is dissolved and it looks like this. Now you're gonna go ahead and take your apple pie filling and you're gonna layer it all at the bottom of your skillet, okay? Then you're gonna go ahead and move on to your cinnamon rolls. And you're going to press those out until they're flat. This part is optional. You do not have to press them out and thin them out, but it works. I think it also helps cook the cinnamon rolls all thoroughly through so that it's not doughy. So go ahead and do this part, but again, it is optional. And as you can see, I'm not pressing it really, really thin. I'm just kind of smashing it out just a little bit, okay? And then I'm gonna take those cinnamon rolls and I'm gonna layer them on top of the apple pie, excuse me, y'all, the apples. Go ahead and layer it. You don't have to press it in or anything like that. Just lay it nice and gently on top. I used about 6 for this small skillet. So you want to gauge how many you need based off of the size skillet that you have. Follow the directions on the back of the cinnamon rolls by preheating your oven to 400 degrees and bake them for about 17 minutes. This is what it looks like when it comes out. Let it rest and cool for about 10 minutes at the minimum. Get you a plate and flip that bad boy upside down. And then by the time you take that skillet off, this is what it should look like, y'all. We're going to take a pause for the cause. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. You see that right there? Yes. Okay, that's what it's supposed to look like. Go ahead and make this a nice Alamo by adding you a scoop of ice cream on top if you like. And if you don't, eat it as is, okay? But this is pretty much it, y'all. Simple. And it only took about 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half and I'm going to add a scoop of ice cream. While I'm cutting it in half, you guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button, click that like and share, y'all. There it is right there. Put my little scoop of ice cream. As you can see, it was still hot, so that ice cream was slipping and sliding everywhere, y'all. But this was a pretty good dish, simple and easy. Let me know if you try it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what other content you would like to see. And I want to thank you all so much for watching and all of your support. All right. Have a good night.